Go home happy with the 2020 INFINITI Q50. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Elevate your daily drive in this luxurious and athletic Q50. Sleek and upscale, this well-appointed sports sedan offers the highly satisfying ride you've been waiting for. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, fog lamps, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, satellite radio, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control. Feel inspired in this stylish Q50. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.